Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you today an up-close look at this all-inclusive kit in the new annual catalog. It's called Simply Citrus, and it's a really fun kit. I put it together yesterday and really enjoyed it, and so I just wanted to give you a closer look at what comes in the kit. I feel like all-inclusive kits are great anytime, but they're really good for this time of year. Like if you're one that goes camping or, a road trip or something and you want to take some crafts with you, but you don't have space or you don't want, to take up too much area when you're working, this is a great solution for that because all you need is the box. I think the only other thing I used was scissors, so that was to cut the twine. So take some scissors with you too, otherwise you'll be all set. So it comes with this color brochure, and then inside it's got photos of the 5 cards, and it has some tips over here. So, it doesn't like write out the instructions for every little thing, but, number 1 means Stampin' Night of Navy ink, which you get the little ink spot right in the kit, and so there's steps over here and then they're noted over here. The thing, like, honestly, when I make these, I just kind of look at the picture and go. If I question something, then I'll go back over here and see what it actually was. But otherwise, I just kind of go with the picture and modify as I want to. One little thing I'll point out that I noticed kind of after the fact is that it tells you right here, 25 inches of twine cut in half, 16 inches of twine, 14 inches of twine, 25 inches and 13 inches. So it's actually really helpful to know that in advance instead of just kind of estimating. So that was something, like I said, I kind of noticed after the fact. You get all sorts of things in here. You get a big sheet of glue dots to attach your layers. If you have other adhesive that you find easier, you can certainly use that. You get a big sheet of Stampin' Dimensionals. You get a clear acrylic block to use with the stamps. You get the Night of Navy ink spot. Let's look at these images, and you'll see them more as I show the cards. But there's like a citrus slice, some leaves, little, they look like little, not really a flourish or a star, just a little accent piece, we'll call it. A lemon, and then 4 really cute greetings. There's these little, and you'll see them on the cards, but these are vellum, and they're just so precious, and they go on really easily with the glue dots, real easy to work with, and just add a really nice subtle touch to the cards. I love the envelopes. So there's this pattern and this pattern. You get some of each. And then, of course, the twine is in here too. So I'm going to kind of set this in here, and then I'll just show you the cards. So this is the first one here, the Thanks for Being You. The card base comes printed like this, and then it's color on the back, white on the inside to make it easy to stamp or write. It's got the twine. This banner piece just popped out, stuck it down. This piece, again, you just punch it out. It's already got that stitching in there. I think you can see that stitching around the edge. Super easy to work with. So literally all I did was inked up my stamp, stamped the image on the label, and then just assembled. Everything else was there. And that's another thing that's great about kits is that you don't have to do the design work. You don't have to do the prep work. You literally just open the box and get right to it. These are those vellum flowers that just really add a fun touch, but it's just nice and subtle. So I really liked that one. There's this one here, and I did this one just a couple of different ways just to show you. So this one has the twine and those vellum flowers. You can see there's several of them down here and then a couple up there. This one I just left more plain, actually these 2. So I didn't put the twine or the vellum flowers on those. So you can do it, either way. Maybe you want to do some with the vellum flowers and then save these to use on other projects later. So entirely up to you. This one here, I wrapped the twine around so it goes on the inside like that, and then added the vellum flowers. This one, I wanted to point out something that is unique here. So I added the twine on this one. I add the twine or the vellum flowers on these, but either way you want to do it. What's unique about this is that, I'm looking to see, yeah, I think it's just this one. This image here, that part that you see in navy, that's the stamp, okay? That's this leaf stamp going right over it like that. You see where I am? So it goes right over the printed green and jade leaves. So I just ink that up, stamp it right over. It's photopolymer. It's pretty easy to just line up. This is that other image that I was trying to decide what to call it, just for a little bit of accent. Again, all these pieces just punch out. These slices are printed right on there. This little blue piece, and then I just stamped it on there and popped that up with dimensionals. This one is a little bit different. So I've got twine on all of them. I only put the flowers on this one, but do you see a difference between these two? It's pretty obvious, that blue, that navy outline. So the one on the left, I chose to use the stamps and stamp right over the printed images to give it more definition with the lemon and with the leaves. This one, I decided to leave it blank. Either way is fine. Whatever you want to do with it is absolutely fine. But that's the difference between the two. So you're going to get supplies to do 5 different cards, 3 of each. So you get 15 cards, those cute envelopes. I didn't use these on all of them. I don't know if I would have used them all up if I had. I can save these to use on a different project if I want to. And then your ink spot and your stamps, you can use those repeatedly on any project you want. So be sure to check out the Simply Citrus All-Inclusive Card Kit. Add it to your shopping list. It's definitely something that is a fun, quick and easy way to create something easily to take on the go with you this summer. And actually it would be a really perfect gift to share stamping with someone who hasn't stamped before, or maybe who has but just likes quick and easy too. So keep this one in mind. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching.